Title: 15 Scientific Health Benefits of Sweet Potatoes. Assalamu alaikum, my dear viewers. I hope you are all in the best of health. Today, I am sharing with you an amazing and essential topic: the incredible health benefits of sweet potatoes. This humble vegetable is packed with nutrients and can transform your health in so many ways. Let's dive into the wonderful world of sweet potatoes and uncover their scientific secrets.
1. Nutritional powerhouse. Sweet potatoes are a treasure trove of essential nutrients that fuel your body and mind. Rich in vitamins A, C, B6, and E, as well as vital minerals like manganese, potassium, and magnesium. They are a complete package of health. Vitamin A, beta-carotene. Sweet potatoes are loaded with beta-carotene, which converts into vitamin A in your body. This vitamin is crucial for maintaining sharp vision, a strong immune system, and glowing skin.
Vitamin C. This immunity-boosting antioxidant repairs tissues, promotes youthful skin, and keeps you energized. Vitamin B6. A key player in hormone regulation, vitamin B6 supports brain health, heart health, and hormonal balance. Vitamin E, though in smaller amounts, vitamin E helps combat free radicals, protects skin, and delays aging. 2. Rich in minerals. Sweet potatoes are a natural source of vital minerals that strengthen and support your body. Manganese boosts bone health, supports metabolism, and keeps your energy levels high. Potassium maintains healthy blood pressure, protects the heart, and ensures proper muscle and nerve function. Magnesium reduces stress, improves sleep, and calms the nervous system, a natural way to relax. 3. Antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Sweet potatoes are loaded with antioxidants, like anthocyanins and vitamin C, which fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress in the body. This helps lower inflammation, protect against chronic diseases, and even support thyroid health. 4. Hormonal and cholesterol benefits. Sweet potatoes work wonders for your hormones and cholesterol levels. Hormonal balance. The vitamin B6 in sweet potatoes helps regulate hormonal activity, reduces PMS symptoms, and ensures steady blood sugar levels, lowers cholesterol. Soluble fiber in sweet potatoes binds with cholesterol, helping to lower LDL bad cholesterol levels and support heart health. 5. Digestive health and weight management. The dietary fiber in sweet potatoes promotes healthy digestion, prevents constipation, and keeps you feeling full longer. This makes them an excellent choice for maintaining a healthy weight.
6. Supports a healthy immune system. Sweet potatoes are an immune system booster, thanks to their high levels of vitamin A, C, and antioxidants. They protect your body from infections and keep you strong and resilient.
7. Boosts energy levels. Unlike simple sugars, the complex carbohydrates in sweet potatoes provide sustained energy, making them a perfect choice for a long day or a pre-workout snack. 8. Good for your heart. Sweet potatoes contain potassium and fiber, which help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart diseases. Their anti-inflammatory properties also benefit overall cardiovascular health. 9. Enhances brain function. Anthocyanins found in sweet potatoes improve memory, protect brain cells, and reduce the risk of cognitive decline. This makes them a brain-boosting food for all ages. 10. Supports pregnancy. Sweet potatoes are rich in folate, which is vital for the healthy development of the fetus. They are a nutritious addition to a pregnant woman's diet. 11. Promotes skin health. The combination of antioxidants, vitamins, and C, and hydration properties make sweet potatoes a natural beauty food supporting radiant and healthy skin. 12. Strengthens bones. The manganese and other minerals in sweet potatoes promote strong bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis, making them ideal for long-term health. 13. Helps manage blood sugar levels. Despite their natural sweetness, sweet potatoes have a low glycemic index, making them an excellent option for those looking to stabilize blood sugar levels. 14. Reduces stress and improves sleep. The magnesium in sweet potatoes acts as a relaxation mineral, helping you unwind, reduce stress, and enjoy better sleep. 15. Detoxifies the body. Antioxidants in sweet potatoes help flush out toxins, cleanse your body, and support overall health. Sweet potatoes are truly a gift from nature, offering a wealth of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that work together to boost your health in countless ways. Whether you enjoy them roasted, mashed, or baked, they are a delicious and nutritious addition to your diet. My dear viewers, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video and for supporting my channel. If you found today's content valuable, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Your support motivates me to create even better content for you. May Allah bless you with health, happiness, and success. Jazakum Allah khair for your time, and until the next video, wassalamu alaikum.